this is one of the low points in your career, getting locked up in Florida. Tell me how that felt, where you're doing great stuff, but you as Big Bad Merciless are locked up abroad. Tell me how that felt.
Why, it felt a way still, but it's a kind of way which part. And me get rabbi up a work house. Yeah, man. We did buy one Chevy Avalanche, say me a send come to Jamaica, come do road, I hit them thief and send me to work house, But, me tell them, say me know the pin file down, They give me one time, though, when they boil down.
When you got in, did anybody recognize you when you got in and said, what are you doing in here?
Yeah, man, what if people recognize me because I go around enough Jamaican, man. But me not have to tell nobody where me I do that. Me ask them, me not know where them I do that. Me just come here, sit and just send me and me just there. Yeah. I me just do my time and just say the greatest thing I'm a freedom. You see me?
What was the lowest point sitting in there for you at that time there?
No, so me never really have a dull moment, because is it true me put my Father God in front of everything. And me constantly read my Bible and just praise my God. And just know so why there's life, there's hope. And go and write, read books and write music and stuff. Me alright, Papa. You see me? Because I know me never charge for no murder and no drugs and them something there. So my thing was just a little, you see me? Next door to misdemeanor. Then you read about it in cleaner.
Of course. But I know when you say it, it sounds meaner. You understand?
Yeah, man. Well, when me come up, me look fine and cleaner,
All right. And that we heard in the Gleaner.
No, man, me a come there and government and pack me little dulce man.
All right. Again, as I said, right there. And when you were there, you wrote a song. What was the song that you wrote when you were away?
Now the letter, man. Yeah, man, I just get up serious one night. About 2 days, take me if we done it up still. Yeah, man, the letter, man. Seriously, man.
Proper. Because that song, you could tell that this is almost like real life lyrics. You didn't make this up. You thought about it.
Let me tell you something now. I'm not sing fiction,
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.